Hey guys, Cripple Slayer, welcome back to another video, and today I wanted to talk about my character Kai Rain, and basically what I was going to say about him is that I want him to have like fire hair, like you know that bad boy haircut that a lot of dudes get, well that, but as fire, and I was thinking about having the last name Firestorm because he can create fire rain, but I think I'm just gonna stick with Kai Rain because he can rain fire, and I just like the sound of it better actually. So, but I'm gonna try to draw him today, and then I will show you guys what I think about the drawing that I drew, and I want your opinion on the drawing, so that way you can give me some insight on what I should do next for him and stuff like that. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you later. Crip it out.